So dear students, as you know, yesterday we completed morphology. हमने वो morphology को complete की है. उसमें हमने plants के different parts पढ़े हैं. पहले root general उसमें मैंने बताया morphology क्या होती है. उसके बाद root पढ़ा. उसके बाद हमने stem. उसके बाद हमने leaf पढ़ा. उसके बाद हमने inflorescence, flower, fruit, seed. उसके बाद लास्ट पर हमने वो एक फैमिली जो आपके सिलेबस में है सॉलिनेसी वो हमने कंप्लीट की. तो ये मॉर्फोलॉजी कंप्लीट है. अब उसके बाद दूसरा जो टॉपिक है वो एनाटॉमी है. यानी जो दूसरा टॉपिक ऑफ दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एनाटॉमी. फर्स्ट वी शुड नो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एनाटॉमी या हाउ वी कैन डिफाइन एनाटॉमी. एनाटॉमी को हम कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं. तो एनाटॉमी हम साथ में डिफाइन करें ये साथ हर मॉर्फोलॉजी में ये स्टडी कर एक्सटर्नल फीचर्स या एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर या एक्सटर्नल अपीयरेंस दैट इज रेफर एज मॉर्फोलॉजी. मगर ये साथ इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ो चाहे प्लांट इंटरनल पार्ट्स का स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ो या एनिमल हंद इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ो तम साथ ब्रांच वन तुरंत दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एनाटॉमी. वो देखो अल्फाज में एनाटॉमी इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ biology which deals with the study of internal structure. Study of internal structure. वो is called as anatomy. यानी हम साथ जैसे internal, for example अगर animals निमोश animals मतलब heart पढ़ो these are the internal organs यम पढ़ो तम साथ हम चीज़ पढ़ने anatomy. मगर plant यम साथ हम वुशन चीज़ तक आसन tissues. यम साथ is tissue पर different types of tissue तम साथ हम चीज़ पढ़ने that is called as anatomy. तो ये जो anatomy मज़न ये जो botany मज़न syllabus में anatomy मज़न आत मज़न चीज़ different types of tissues पढ़न. तो आत मज़न चीज़ tissue पढ़न तो हम पता हम चीज़ पढ़ने anatomy of root चीज़ आत मज़न निवन anatomy of leaf. First that is take first चीज़ आत मज़न tissues पढ़न. Go we should know what is tissue. Like I said, sixth part tissue. It is a group of cells. And you all know that group of cells which have similar structure and function. Yeah, आपने पढ़ा होगा लास्ट में group of cells having similar structure and function that is constitutes tissue. And जब cell हम साथ में combine करते they will play an important role or special role or specific role तम साथ में that is called as tissue. प्लांट में इन साथ मशीन चेंज है तो याद है इस गॉड में मॉर्फोलॉजी में या बाकी इन साथ में प्लांट में शासन indefinite growth या unlimited growth तम साथ वनी में ना टिश्यू आसन that is called as मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू तम साथ में आसन unlimited growth यानी प्लांट शो तम throughout life शी growth इनमें गसन. तो हम बस ये प्लांट में चेस at plants में mainly there are three types of tissues mainly. A plant has mainly three types of tissues. One is called as dermal tissue. One is called as dermal tissue. यानी a plant अगर हम बोले a plants में mainly शासन three types of tissues. One is called as dermal tissue. Yet as Damon and epidermis. This is called as epidermis. Epi means above. Dermis means skin. यानी plant uses डेल आसन चुके covering आसन चुके ताकि epidermis आना. तो दोयम tissues in plant में जीवन आसन चुके that is called as ground tissue. Second tissue is called as ground tissue. यानी इस पर हम अगर मिसाल के तौर पर विनमोश root या निम्बा stem निमोश या leaf पता अगर इस at transfer sections आते हैं. For example, suppose root अगर इस पर transfer section आपको longitudinal section आपको transfer sections different types of tissue rows. Different types of tissue. The neighboring tissue is also that is called as epidermis. This is called as epidermis. Yeah, dermal tissue so it is called as epidermis. So दोयम tissue is also बाकी different types of tissues माज़न. So the second type of tissue is this one, ground tissue. What we basically is third type of tissue that is called as vascular tissue. Vascular tissue. Vascular tissue is one of my eyes. You should centers में हम लगभग ये मान आप में समझो xylem xylem and phloem present आसन वो xylem and phloem constitutes vascular tissue तो dermal it means epidermis बाकी हम जन दरमियान tissue between this vascular tissue and epidermis हम जन centers में जन यम ते tissue at roots में जन या stemmas में आसन च तिमन सारी शेष पन ground tissue at में जन चुन hypodermis यानी हम शेष एक पढ़ी hypodermis at में जन यमन at में चुन cortex ब्याह tissue वन at में जन चुन endodermis at में जन यमन endodermis ये ब्याह tissue वन at में चुन pericycle यमन pericycle ब्याह tissue वन at में जन चुन pith So, यह tissue यम जन यानी hypodermis, cortex, endodermis, pericycle and pith. यम चुन between this vascular tissue and epidermis. For example, this is hypodermis, then this is cortex, then this is endodermis, then pericycle and other tissues. वो यम सारे tissue यमन चीज़ मन ground tissue. The third tissue में vascular tissue आत्मा चुन xylem and phloem. यानी mainly चीज़ फिर यमन plant मज़न अगर इस transverse sections अटोइस root as या stem as अटोइस mainly चीज़ फिर यमन three types of tissues. One is called as dermal or epidermis. Second is called as ground tissue. आत्मा चुन hypodermis, cortex, endodermis, pericycle. Fifth आत्मा यमन the third type of tissue is called as vascular tissue. तो यमन tissue चीज़ one by one explain करनी है पढ़. So let us first we will discuss epidermis. And let us first we will discuss epidermis. Epidermis. The epidermis is a term show. The only way epi means outer ya above inthos. Outer ya above inthos. Dermis means skin. And outer skin. वो दोइमेन अल्फाजन में जोनो वो चीज़ ये epidermis आसन शो ये शो at plant किस कुन ती parts नेबर की निथन cover करन वो तवे चीज़ मन it is outer protective tissue यानी अगर इस root निमो at root structure पर skin पेट की नासन अगर हम stem की बात करेंगे तो stem के ऊपर भी जिस एपिडर्मिस होता है या लीफ ले लीजिए लीफ में भी एपिडर्मिस या दूसरे हम कहेंगे कि the epidermis covers all parts of a plant but outerly यानी it is outer covering it is outer protective covering it is called as outer protective covering of a plant from root to leaf तो ये epidermis आसन शो ये epidermis आसन it is single layer of cells. अगर वो निमो मिसाल के तौर पर निमो रूट या निमो स्टेम at stems मज़न या रूट्स मज़न यूज़र outer layer of cells आसन outer layer of cells the outer layer of cells there and that is called as epidermis. वो आसन single layer या दोइमेन अल्फाजन मज़न होइस यूज़र single layer of cells आसन outer protective layer at is called as epidermis. The epidermis in certain cases मैं उन तय गॉडनिशी का तो आसन single layer of cells यम cell यम जन यम आसन rectangle बेशम आसन compactly arranged. These are compactly arranged. वो compactly arranged मतलब क्या होता है? इस बनाए some tissue. Suppose this is one type of tissue. वो यह मतलब अगर वो shows ये cell ये साथ हम combine गए बनो tissue आ group of cells ये मन दरमियान चीज़ कुछ नहीं space. आ space is an intercellular space. वो ये साथ ये space present is between the cells. So these are loosely arranged. And the space go Einstein go cell they are loosely arranged. There take this epidermis go here there is no intercellular space. However, the cells are compactly arranged. That is there is no intercellular space. There is no intercellular space. What is the cell? This is a single layer of cells after protective covering. They are rectangular and the cells are compactly arranged. There is no intercellular space between the cells. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The basic expression is when you epidermis asan chu, you show rootus mans te asan, you show leaf stemus mans te asan leafus mans. So yem satan expression chase you show rootus mans asan present, but rootus mans cha atta ki mannes in root. The epidermis is called as epibellima. Entrance in root, the epidermis is called as epibellima. As tath mazam chasan nebeginathan, epidermis cell asan tim chubanan hair-like structures. They make hair-like structures. These are called as root hairs. Root hairs.
Yes, sir.
Root and mazan epidermis asan chu. That mazan epidermal cells. Tim chubanan hair-like structure. So that is called as root hair. Marishasan unicellular. This is unicellular. Root hairs are multicellular or unicellular. Now the epidermal cell is an asan chu. You should modify gasan. You should banana hair-like structure. That's just banana root hair. These are the root hair asan. So I mean function kya you show water absorption. Absorption of water and minerals. Absorption of water and certain plant minerals या water yor खालन छु बड़े function absorb गसन. Absorb गसन ये suppose you must plant ये तो सुन root. Yet root or shas hair-like structures, unicellular hair-like structures. The water या minerals you can absorb. So you must absorb. They help in absorption of water and minerals. So you numbers varia. ऐसा आसन अपने एक plant. So now the user epidermis root it is called as epibellum. The and the most stemus must be most. For example, is most stem epidermis. In case of stem, as a stemus must ask epidermis. That must be asan. That hairs are present.
Yes, sir.
Stemus page hairs present, but those hairs are multicellular. They are unicellular, but in case of stem they are multicellular. So hairs are stem. These are also called as trichromes. They are called as trichromes. Trichromes. These are called as trichromes. So they are multicellular. So agar function stemus one thing they are secretory in function. They are secretory in function. Number one. Number two, in trichomes, they help to reduce water loss during transpiration. They help, the trichomes help to reduce water loss during transpiration. If the transpiration water loss reduce karnas madat karan. They have some secretory function. Time satan shim at plant's protection given from enemies. These are called as trichomes or stem hairs. So one of the most important is in case of leaf. Again, in case of leaf, leaf is using your epidermis asan. That asan dashwe upper epidermis, lower epidermis. You have anatomy of leaf padawis. Time satan details upper epidermis, lower epidermis. Now you in case of leaf, there is both upper and lower epidermis. In case of leaf, there is upper and lower epidermis. Suppose leaf moves, but leaf is transverse section. Yes. Transverse section. Go asli surface, above surface, upper surface, against lower surface. Upper surface kin shasan epidermis, lower surface kin shasan. For example, this is leaf. Suppose this is leaf. This shasan is called as upper surface. This is called as lower surface. वो यपर शो असली protected by epidermis. यपर शो असली protected by epidermis. ठीक?
Yes, sir.
तो गो यम साथ में चीज़ epidermis असल above and lower surface पर present. तब इसे इसमें upper epidermis and lower epidermis. तो epidermis पेट की हम आसन ये इनके साथ leaf निमोइस पेट की हम आसन waxy color. यानी in case of leaf, the epidermis has outer waxy cover. Waxy covering. That is called as cuticle. It is called as cuticle. In case of leaf, the epidermis has outer waxy covering. In cuticle, waxy covering. So this waxy covering is called as cuticle. The cuticle function is that reduces loss of water during transpiration, and it reduces loss of water during transpiration. Yem satam transpiration is like transpiration is ये cuticle is ये cuticle ये minimize कर ये ज़्यादा loss of water loss जोन गैस क्या तब आगे में it reduces loss of water. तो ये जो मैंने system में स्पिरिट चक मैंने अच्छे ये मुझे loss of water कारण या मुझे system में अच्छे चीज़ का कौन अच्छे चीज़ loss of water reduce करन तो ये अच्छे चीज़ vaccine ये जो नासन चु ये शो अच्छे cuticle ये जो नासन चु अच्छे water loss reduce करन तो बेसिक स्पेशल यूजन ये लीफस में epidermis आसन लीफस में सपोज ये lower surface निमोश upper surface ये पर निमोश lower surface. This is lower surface. वो this is lower epidermis. ठीक?
Yes, sir.
ये lower epidermis यूजन चु कैंसर जायन चु आसन ये आत्मजन minute pores. जानी the leaf किस lower surface mostly which is lower surface आत्मजन चु आसन ये small minute pore like structure. Small minute pore like structure. This one is called as stoma. I guess one is stoma. अगर वारी आसन करके stomata. Single is stoma. Where से more than one आसन they are called as stomata. तो ये stoma में होता है ये शासन leaf में present but mostly on lower surface. और क्या चीज़ ये मतलब upper surface में से शासन lower surface में शासन कैंसर शासन upper surface for example इस्तेमाल aquatic plants.
Yes, sir.
ताकि leaf आश lower surface आश touch करने का water से तो गोली हज़ार आम किन्हीं आश stomata आसन क्या touch stomata आसन on upper surface pattern. तो mostly they are present on lower surface. तो ये stomata अगर वो इसन नॉन तो इस आसन minute pore like structure अगर इस बनाओ क्या आसन minute pore like structure between two cells. In a cell, even one cell darmiyan minute pore like structure. Between two cells, minute pore like structure is called as stoma. This is called as stoma. So ये cell darmiyan ये stomata banan show. These two cells are called as guard cells. They are called as guard cells. These are called as guard cells. Go use stoma to issue don guard cell darmiyan banan. तो ये साथ light aspect का वन issue असन open, ये साथ dark असन issue साथ असन close. So during day or during night it gets open. It remains open, but during night or dark it gets closed. तो ये guard cells असन, ये guard cells असन, ये साथ definite shape असन. In case of dicots, guard cells are bean or kidney shape. Bean or kidney shape. इसके साथ entrance the guard cells in dicots are. या dicot are मतलब क्या ताकि bean. Bean is कैसे चुन dicots में For example ताकि bean is या ताकि जो dicot कमाता है. आत्मस किस guard cells में they are kidney shape या bean shape. bean का से सन राजमा शुरू विश्व से अगर तो शुरू जो that is just like a kidney बोले हज़ार तब इसे सन the guard cells are kidney shaped या bean shaped but इनके साथ dicards इनका monocards आसन monocards मतलब चीज़ ये kidney shaped आसन के बल्कि पैच आसन ये they are dumbbell shaped in monocards the guard cells are dumbbell shaped. They are dumbbell shaped. Dumbbell shaped. Common muscle. In case of monocards, कोई थे कुछ साथ entrance the guard cells in monocards are dumbbell shaped or kidney shaped or bean shaped. They are dumbbell shaped. तो ये guard cells हैं जिमन guard cells में शासन chloroplast present. They contain chloroplast. The guard cells contain chloroplast. Go emsata ni manuzan chloroplast present. As go, they carry photosynthesis. They carry photosynthesis. Numbers. Yemsanim outer walls asan. This outer wall. This is inner wall. Outer wall asan. Outer wall. Yishu asan thin. The outer wall. God cells is thin. ठीक है? This is inner wall. This inner wall, it is thick. The inner wall God cells is thick. Going like examples, objective. The inner wall of God cells are thin or thick. The outer wall of God cells are thin or thick. The outer wall is thin. The inner wall is thick. You thin or thick also. So the guard cell and wall, outer wall, inner wall, you thin asun, ya thick asun. It plays an important role in opening and closing of stomata. The thinness or thickness of outer cell, outer wall or inner wall of guard cells plays important role in opening and closing of stomach. In opening and closing of stomach. The basic expression is that guard cell in chasan be nibikin biach cell that is called as accessory cell yash is that is called as subsidiary cell. That is called as subsidiary cell. Besides guard cells, the other cells are present. Those cells are called as subsidiary cells. These are called as subsidiary cells. They have protective function. Subsidiary cells. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Go whole accessory. मतलब guard cells, stomata तो बे subsidiary cell. First number one, stroma. Number one, stroma. Number two, guard cell. Number third, subsidiary cell. Because they all make stomatal apparatus. They make stomatal apparatus. When you question it, the stomatal apparatus include this. It includes number one, stoma, guard cell, and subsidiary cell. Yeah, I'm going to question it. The subsidiary cell, the guard cell, and stoma constitute. So it constitutes stomatal apparatus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The reason you agar function stomata any function. Go at main two functions. The stomata has mainly two functions. Functions of stoma. Functions. Functions of stoma. Number one, it helps in transpiration. And as a transpiration that occurs through stomata. As a transpiration that occurs through stomata. It helps in transpiration carries through stomata. Number one. Number two, it also aids helps in gaseous exchange. gaseous exchange. Yani carbon dioxide under also oxygen never name, that is called as gaseous exchange. So that takes place through this stomata. Go, you should function tension. Go, why what are the functions of this epidermis? When I say what are the functions of epidermis? Epidermis will not details. When I say the epidermal cells are parenchymatous. The epidermal cells are parenchymatous. Parenchymatous 9th parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma, tissues. The parenchyma is an cells thin walled, leading to cytoplasm dense parenchymatous tissue. To go epidermal cells, they are parenchymatous cells. The epidermal cells are parenchymatous cells. You should go other point to a question of board exams. What are the functions of epidermis? What are functions number 1? Outer protective covering. Protection. Protection number 1. Number 2, you should ask a root hairs. Help in absorption of water and minerals. Water and mineral absorption. Water and with the help of root hairs. Next one, epidermis stomata present. It helps us in transpiration.
Yes, sir.
Transpiration through stomata. Gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange through stomata. Can you present us?
Yes.
So the bacteria critical reduces loss of water.
Yes, sir.
It reduces loss of water. So these are the functions of epidermis. That is secreting function.
Yes, sir.
These are the functions of epidermis. So this was all about epidermis. I'm a structure, I'm a functions. So I think this is sufficient.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.